Weight loss supplements are everywhere, and Ozalyn is marketed as a natural gut-focused support that helps digestion, appetite control, and metabolism, so you lose weight gradually. But does it actually work? Let's break it down. So Ozalyn's formula focuses on gut health and metabolic support with ingredients like prebiotics and probiotics aimed at balancing your digestive system, reducing cravings, and helping your body manage calories better. It's sold as a gentle, stimulant-free approach rather than a magic weight loss pill. Independent user feedback shows mixed but generally modest results. Many people report reduced snacking, steadier energy, and some weight changes over weeks, especially when paired with diet and activity. Gradual shifts of a few kilos over 4 to 8 weeks are more common than rapid loss, and digestive benefits often come before noticeable weight changes. Crucially, no supplement alone is a guaranteed fat burner. Real science shows that weight loss mostly comes from calorie control and consistent lifestyle habits. The pills may support the process, but they aren't replacement for diet and exercise. The final verdict, Ozalyn might help with appetite control, digestion, and mild metabolic support, especially if you use it consistently and pair it with healthy eating and movement. But no, it is not a miracle weight loss solution. Expect slow, modest progress rather than dramatic results. The bottom line, think of Ozalyn as a supplemental support tool in your weight loss journey, not the star of the show. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.